Hey everyone, today it is going to be a short video. I will be telling you about the Alexa Swags update for year 2020 and whether you can get a t-shirt now or not. So in the past year, Amazon was rewarding the Alexa skills developers that published their Alexa skills to the Indian store with a free t-shirt along with the possibility to win additional prizes like 5000 rupees Amazon gift card or even a PlayStation. But sadly, all those offers have ended since 31st of December. But don't worry because there's a very high possibility that the new swags would be up for grabs from February as hinted by this web page. I will be dropping my Alexa skills tutorial video as soon as their swags announcement goes live. To stay updated, make sure to press the bell button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, you can visit my blog from the link in the description that would teach you how to create a fact skill from scratch using Node.js and Alexa skills kit. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.